Hi, today we'll spend 7 minutes together to energize the body and bring calmness to the mind. This is simple yet effective practice that you can do it in the morning or any time during the day when you need to feel balanced. Let's begin. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel the tension leaving your body and a sense of lightness filling you up. Another deep inhale and exhale. Now gently open your eyes. Let's start by waking up the body with a few gently movements. Stretching. Raise your arms up, straight to the sides. Neck tilt. Slowly tilt your head to the left, right, left, right, forward and backward. Shoulders rolls. Rotate your shoulders forward and backward a few times. Now let's move into the main poses. Keep your breath steady and calm. Cat-cow pose, Marjariasana. Get on all fours, alternate between arching and rounding your back. This softens the spine and releases tension. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift your hips up, straighten your back. Take deep breaths. Warrior. Step forward into a wide stance, raise your arms up and feel strong and grounded. Forward fold, Uttanasana. Gently fold forward, relaxing your neck and back. Now gently lower yourself into a sideways position. Close your eyes, take one final deep breath in and out. Feel your body more relaxed and your mind at peace. Thank you for spending these 7 minutes with yourself. Share how you feel in the comments. See you in the next practice.